It is 5 a.m. in the morning, and as you can see, we're getting ready to go on a trip a little northward. Well, we're on our way. We're just getting some fuel here and then headed off on our trip. Well, 5 o'clock came really early, and a cold shower can sure wake you up. I know it did for me. It woke me up real fast. Here we are taking a little road trip northward from Coronadao City. We are headed north towards or into the North Cotabato region. So here I am. I guess Kulas, becoming Filipino, was here. And now here, becoming Pinoy. Enough?
Yeah, we're going in.
We're gonna go in?
Yeah, we get in. Yeah.
Okay.
So that we can looking around of the banda.
Okay, perfect.
Pasok kami. Salamat po. Mayor.
Oh, wow. Wow, this is pretty cool. What is this here? This is the temple, right?
Yeah, this is the temple of the Muslim brother.
Wow.
Yeah, this called the mosque, you know already.
Oh yeah. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It really is beautiful. This is their bathroom?
Yeah, bathroom.
In the Philippines, they say restroom.
Restroom,
Canada, we say bathroom.
bathroom. And the other one, Jan room.
Jen
Room.
The Pink Mosque is located at Saudi Ampatuan, Maguindanao, Philippines. And here is a grand view of the Pink Mosque. The mosque is a place to gather for prayers, to study, and to celebrate festivals such as Ramadan. It can be used to house schools and community centers. The color of the Pink Mosque represents peace and love, for those that were wondering. That's how it's done.
Okay. The next journey we are going to North Cotabato. We try to go to see the Asik-Asik falls there.
Pangalan sang ano no?
Oh, na.
They're lively here.
Yeah. Say hi, hello.
You can say they're awake. Switch back here, turn here, turn here, turn here, and that's what we're doing. Going through one. And they're talking. Look at this safari there. That is beautiful. Wow. This is totally amazing. It's like a total safari. It's really phenomenal. Another complex there.
Mga variety mga Muslim, mga good passion.
You know, when I was back in Canada, watching on TV, unbelievable tropical paradise such as what I'm seeing here, I never dreamed that I would actually see it with my own eyes. It's very amazing. It's breathtaking. And from what I've been told, when they have floodings, it's very moving how they can still deal with the matter and smile and still be happy. I think I know why. Because they know they are in paradise. Heavy. This is all flooded. Big time. A few meters or what? Maybe a meter? Well, here everyone was getting a little bit hungry, and we came across this very fine Philippine restaurant. Have something to eat. The food here was very, very good. And then I decided to fly my drone and get a visualization of the surrounding area. It's always nice to see a grand view of the area. And here is the grand view of the local area here. We were very impressed with what they had already cooked, and they were just cooking up a storm. Very fine food.
Ito yung mga food nila. Ma'am. Ito yung mga kanila. Yung iba hindi pa nakaluto. Maaga pa masyado. Maaga pa masyado, so ang iba hindi pa naluto. Niluluto pa lang. So marami silang dito, yung putahe. Sa gabi, nag-iihaw din sila. Try it again. You got it? Yeah.
Hang on to it. You can shut it off. Oh, here we are. We're headed out. We're leaving this place. We just had an awesome dinner here. Breakfast, brunch, whatever you may call it. It's all good. There you have it. Until the next adventure.